Okay, the second food challenge of our quite a few MGTOWN food challenges are Harry has to eat cat biscuits. So, Harry, eat the whole spoon. Crunchy? Nice? So you don't need the water. That one you didn't need water. Okay, we'll make sure it doesn't spit it out afterwards. Swallow it. Are you done? Okay. He's done. And those are the cat biscuits. So, okay. See you next time. Subscribe, like, and this is MGTOWN Boys out.